In this support video, we will be replacing the cooling fan for the 1116 model. Before we begin, always best to cut off the gas line and power to the unit. Remove the grates as well as all the burner and caps. Remove the screws on both sides under the cooktop panel on the back of the range. Remove the screws holding the gas burner element. Lift and remove the cooktop panel. Disconnect the wire harness, disconnect the green wire. Remove the holding screws around the cooling fan. Now you can gently remove the cooling fan. With your new cooling fan, place into position and align the screw holes. Screw the cooling fan into place. Place back the cooktop panel, screw back the gas burners. Screw back the cooktop panel, and this completes the installation.